What's up guys, Omar here, broker and CEO of Alden Mortgage and Ome Realty. So this is going to be your mortgage rate update as of 9/20/2022. We're going to be pricing out 10 different mortgage products, and a bank has officially toppled that 7% interest rate. One bank has went ahead and just, they're way up there. They're above anybody else that's even close. Now the reason why I make these videos also, not only to promote my business, of course, because I would love to go ahead and have every single person in this entire world go through my company in order to go and get mortgage products, because we have better rates than anybody. We give 50% commission rebate on purchasing a property, 0% listing on selling your property, and we have more mortgaging products than any big bank out there. But we're gonna go ahead and give you exactly which bank is over that 7% and which mortgage product, because the mortgage product that they are over 7% is unheard of. But let's get on with this mortgage rate update. 10 total products. 30-year fixed will be sitting at 5.70%. 15-year fixed will be sitting at 4.74%. 30-year high balance will be sitting at 5.83%. DSCR loan, which is a debt service coverage ratio loan. This is a loan product to where we use the total rental income coming in to offset the total debt that's going out, which is your principal, interest, tax, insurance, and other running costs. That will be sitting at 8.50%. Bank statement loan will be sitting at 8.12%. FHA 30-year fixed will be sitting at 4.98%. 7/6 adjustable rate mortgage is sitting at 5.74%. USDA 30-year fixed will be sitting at 5.02%. VA 30-year fixed will be sitting at 4.98%, and hard money fix and flip will be sitting at 9.75%. You see a really crappy property, you think you go ahead and make a little bit of money on it. That will go up to 85% loan to value. So you need to bring 15% to the table. Then we take 100% of the total amount that it'll cost to rehab that property, and we'll go ahead and pay for that as well. And then we go ahead and sell that bad bitch on right after it's done. But the bank that actually is over the 7% mark right now, and I pulled it up as of today, is going to be JP Morgan Chase. And you want to know which one that they're above on? Wait a minute, is JP Morgan Chase cheaper than me on a 15-year fix? Let me see. On a 15-year fix, no. On a 15-year fix, this is a comparison, okay? On a 15-year fix, the loan product that JP Morgan Chase is, nothing against JP Morgan Chase. I'm just giving a comparison between one company versus another company, my company versus JP Morgan Chase. JP Morgan Chase is sitting at 5.50 on a 15-year fix, and I am sitting at 4.74%. 30-year FHA, this is the one that shocked me. They're at 7.11% on a APR, 30-year fixed, 6%. On a FHA, we're at 4.98%, 5.17% APR on a FHA 30-year fixed. Now this is comparing apples to apples. Now 7.6, I'm on a 7.6. 7.6, we're pretty much equal on a 7.6. We're at 5.74. They're at 5.75. But this is why it's important to go ahead and do shopping around. Now, for me, put me on your lender list, just like anybody else. You put them on your lender list to see exactly, because at the end of the day, imagine if you knew that you could get where are we at on an FHA? On an FHA, imagine if you went to JP Morgan Chase and you got an FHA loan for 7%, right? And then you find out later on, hey, there's this guy out there that does it for 4.98%. Oh my God, that's 2%. That is hundreds and hundreds of dollars that you're throwing away for no reason whatsoever. Now this stems with all the big banks. Now when it comes to big banks, make sure you don't even have to use me, okay? Shop around with your local brokers. Brokers get to do stuff that big banks don't get to do, because at the end of the day, we all sell to the same people. We all sell to Fannie Mae, to Freddie Mac. We don't care. So a big bank versus a broker, the only difference is they have this big fancy building and you get to go deposit your checks in and get credit cards. That's the only difference. Nothing else is different. We could do business lines of credit. We could go ahead and get you credit cards. We could go ahead and get you investments. We could do everything a big bank goes. And then not to mention that banks versus a broker, we all follow under the same criteria of what we're allowed to do, because we're all regulated under the CFPB, and we have to go ahead and abide with what's going on with the BSA, which is the Bank Security Act. We all do the same exact thing. So don't be afraid to go ahead and shop around from one person to another person to another person, and especially let everybody run your credit, because whenever you are shopping for a mortgage, the credit bureaus already know exactly what you're doing. You have a 27 to roughly about let's say 35 days, depending. Let's just, for the sake of argument, to be on the safe side, 27 days to go ahead and run your credit as much as you want, because those kind of change a lot, but on the low end, it's going to be 27 days. Shop around. Go do whatever it is that you got to do. Also, title and escrow company. Don't ever mess around with title and escrow company and think that, oh, they know better than I do. Go shop around title and escrow companies the same way we do. We have the people that we typically work with because we do our shopping around, but you should do the same exact thing. Well, that's going to be our mortgage rate update. For up to 50% commission rebate, 0% listing on selling your current home, or any mortgage assistance, link in the description below. Until next video, guys, I really appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that other good stuff. Until next video, peace.
I don't wanna waste a minute.